Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to create a new application in Siemens WinCC Unified Platform. Why this unified platform is different from normal WinCC? Because this application which we are going to create is used for any HMIs with resizing to any application and also for desktop WinCC application directly. It also enables web-based monitoring and control, ensuring that accessible from virtually in anywhere. This proves the game changer for any modern automation projects. Unified system is scalable for single user system to complex distributed applications. Let's start the program now. Double click Siemens TIA portal. Once the application open, it will show all the existing project. Select the create new project in the left side button. Then it will open a new page called create new project. Here in the project name, you can provide a new name called WinCC underscore unified underscore test as per your convenient. And in the comment section, I will provide the name called automation for all. And I will click the create button. It will take little bit time to create a new project. Once it's open the new project, in the new page, you can find the next step. Here I will create directly to the project view. You can open directly to the project view in the center or left side button. Once it's created, once you click the project view button, it will open a new page as a project view. From here you can find all the menus in the left side. From there, for the first one, I can add new device. Double click that new device. You can find all the controllers, HMIs and PC system. In our case, we are not going to the controller. We are going either to create in the HMI or in the PC system. In the HMI, you can find SIMATIC Unified Basic Panel or SIMATIC Unified Comfort Panel. If you open the SIMATIC Unified Basic Panel, you can see the basic panel sizes 4 inch, 7 inch like this. See, if you double click inside, you can find lot of other displays like a lot of different sizes. From here, if you go in the Unified Comfort Panel also, you can find different sizes 7 inch, 10 inch, 12, 19 inch, 22 inch, etc. In our case, I will double click in the 19 inch, and from the 19 inch MPI 1900 Unified Comfort, and I will select this part number. You can select any one as per your convenient or as per your wish. Okay. Once you select this one, you can find in the right side of the article number, version and the complete description of the HMI. So in our case, I will select this HMI and I provide OK button. So once it will be added in the project view now automatically. So it will take little bit time, and you can find once it's added, you can find in the left side below this new device. Once it's created, you can find in the left side. See HMI underscore 1, see MTP 1900 Unified Comfort. And also if you click again add new device, you can go to the PC system also. In the PC system, you can again, if you need to add additional like one more device, see you can add here directly SIMATIC WinCC Unified PC. This is for the PC, for the computers. If you need to add the same unified platform. So already I informed before, you can use the same application in HMI as well as for the PC systems. So I will add one more device for this PC system as well. So we have now two systems. One is HMI with MTP 1900 Unified Comfort, and another one we can add the other device for PC systems, SIMATIC PC station. See, once it's opened, you can see this picture like directly in the device view. From there, it will be added directly to the PC WinCC Unified. And in our case, just what I will do now, I will change this rename, like I rename this PC station, and we will directly start our project now. See, once you make a right click, just go to the name, rename, and here already you have PC underscore system underscore 1. So I will rename this one called unified underscore PC. So you can give your the name as per your convenient. For in my case, I will just give unified underscore PC underscore HMI. So once I change, it will be changed everywhere. Okay, and if you go below that, you can find device configuration and online diagnostics. So these two, it will open, it will create. Under that, you can find another one, a header called HMI underscore RT underscore 2 under this unified PC HMI. So for that one also I can rename. If you need, you can change this, you can rename as per your convenient. Otherwise you can keep this name as usual. And if you see inside, you can find all the options how you find in the WinCC. See, device configuration, runtime, screen managements, HMI tags, connections, alarm, HMI alarm parameters and everything. And also if you find upside for the PC, you can find only these two items, device configuration and online and diagnostics. So now if you open the HMI tags inside, you can find default tag table. In this tag table, you can find nothing because you created a new project. So you don't have any tags inside your unified in the unified or normal WinCC itself. You cannot find any tags, and therefore it is empty. And if you need to add, you can add the tags here directly. See here, you can, if you double click in the directly to the add new or in the upside, you have a button here to add the new table. So this is the overview how to add the device configuration like a devices and a new project. Now the next step, we will add now the new tables, new tags. So I will create a new tag now. In this place, I'm going to enter a new tag name called vertical position. Once you entered, you can see the data type, it will be created automatically, and the connection it will create directly, internal tags and everything. And I will just you have two options, either you can copy paste, or if you click the next one like add new, it will add automatically the same data type and same connection. And I will give this name called lateral position, and I will add one more tag called rotational position. So these three tags we will add directly now. And for the internal, I will give everything as internal, because I'm not going to connect with any PCs, just I will make for simulation purpose. And we are going to make some simulation with the unified platform, and this will be, we can shift these same signals to the HMI as well. So just I will add one more tag called default tag. So I created now 4 tags, and this you can keep these data types same, integer, and connection you can keep as internal tags. So once you created the tags, now we can just save the application. See, and also you can see the tags, it's already shown here in the HMI. And now the next step, we are going to add a new screen. Double click the add new screen, it will open a new page here, and it will take little bit time. Based on your computer performance, it will take the time. Maybe it will take, some people it will take less than like 1 to 2 seconds. Sometimes it will take 5 to 10 seconds based on your performance of your computer. So once you added a new screen, you can find the empty screen here. See, now I will just drag the text. Just I will add the text now called vertical position. Same what we added in the tags, internal tags. Now, so we will put the same name here, vertical position, and I will drag. See, I will change the text size to 17 and I will make this one as bold. So you have all the options in the upside, so you can modify as per that text size and everything. Just what I will do, I will copy and paste another tag. Just right click or copy and right click paste, or you can give like Control C and Control V or copy and paste. So I will add 3 tags like 3 text here now. The second one I will name as horizontal position, or you can give rotational position. And that last one, third one, I will add lateral position. So I added 3 text now. I'm going to add one IO field here. See, just drag and drop where you need to be add your IO tag. So just I will add one more one table like one IO field here, and I will just copy paste to the rotational position as well as for lateral position. Otherwise, if you need, you can drag and drop from the elements also. Just I will change, just I will adjust the places. And I will name this complete screen name as WinCC Unified HMI. So I named as WinCC Unified HMI. Okay, in the heading, and I will keep this one in the left side, and here in this left position what we will do in this example, we will enter some values. I will make one rectangle shape, and this shape will be rotate as per your positions. This is the project we are going to do, and also we will add some sliders and some gauges, and we will change the value, and we will see the how it is moving the values, and it will be implemented in the unified platform. This is our target in this project. So once I go to this position, see now if you click the IO, you can find the properties downside. From the properties you can change this one to the process value. See here in the downside you can find the process value. From this there is 2 things, like one is called static value, another one is called dynamization. So for our case, see, you cannot find this one in the static. See, in the process value you cannot click, but because this is static which you have currently. Okay, but in our case I need to go to dynamic. Okay, so for that you see in the right side you have called dynamic, and if you see here, if you click, it will come non tag. So I will select the name called tag. Okay, if you click in the tag, you can find all the list which we created earlier in the HMI tables. See, if you click directly from this button like a 3 icon, you cannot find. So you need to click in the left side. So you can find all the tag names. From here you can find vertical tag and add here. See, now you mapped this vertical position in this vertical tag in this properties in the process value. So it is mapped directly. What are the values you can see in the vertical position? It will be mapped directly in the HMI tag. So this is the linking between this screen HMI, like a screen tag, to the property tags. So similarly I can add for the rotational position. I can go to the process value, and I'll add for the tags in the process value, and I'll give this one called rotational position. And for lateral also I will click the right side of the process value, and you can find tag, and you can add the tag here directly to the lateral position in the tag process value. So now we added the 3 tags directly for the 3 positions. Now what I will do, I will add one rectangle table, one rectangle, or even you can, if you need, you can do by circle, but circle you cannot see the rectangle position, not changing position. So better I will add one rectangle. Double click the rectangle. In the properties you can find downside, the background color, background fill patterns and everything of the backgrounds, fill directions, opacity and everything. It's having lot of properties you can find in the property section. Okay, if you see here in the appearance, you can see even if you make it appear, disappear or anything as per your convenient. How you need to do these properties you can set directly from here in the downside. So from our side, just what I will do, I will change the background color. See, just click at the right side in the static value and change this color to white. Okay, at initial stage. Then what I will do, from the appearance you can find downside there is many options. Now in the size and position, go to the rotation, because I told you before we can rotate, and we can rotate this one with the angle. So I will change in the rotate angle. I can add in the dynamics, I can add as tag, and if you go in the right side you can change this one to rotational position. Okay, similarly if you go, you already change it to the rotational position, that's the middle one, rotational position. Which position you are going to enter, example 90, it will change automatically to 90 degree. If you enter 180, it will change automatically to 180. Okay, so it will be changed automatically based on your rotational position. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to the another place called size, height and height. Okay, because I need to change the height also based on your entry of your values. So just double click the size height in the dynamic and add the tag, and from this position I will add the vertical position. Okay, what value you are entering in the vertical position, it will be change the height based on your value. And also just I will go to the width also. So here I will add here as tag and go to here called lateral position. So lateral position it will change the width, and vertical position it will change the height, and it will change the rotational based in the rotational position. So we added all the 3 parameters in this rectangular shape. I will make a little bit wider, so it will be you can see very big in size, otherwise it will be very small in size at the earlier stage, at initial stage. So we make a rectangular shape and we provide all the properties. Once you made the properties, save the project and double click download to device. Once you click the download to device, it will take little bit time to open the download to a device pop-up. Once the pop-up opened, you can find the device name upside, and here you can find the use other IP only, because you did not able to find this PG/PC interface or any other connection types like this. So I will give directly to the connect, so we will see what is the progress or result. See, it is trying to attach the connect to the device address 0.0.0, but currently I don't have any device to connect like with the same IP address. So if you need to understand more about this, how to download a device, simulations and other things, you can watch my previous videos so you can understand this. See, here you can find fail to establish a connection to the device with address 0.0.0. So this is the error message. It's appear because you don't have anything to connect with this address. So I will close this. I will show how to modify these things. See here, double click this device configuration, and in the downside of the properties you can find in the general, see, you can find the device configuration. See, you need to select the particular, see here there is PC station, and you did not find anything because this is direct PC station, no? So you need to go to the inside the HMI RT, and from the HMI RT you need to check the configuration first. And now I will try to download the simulation. So it is preparing to same prepare download to device. From this button you can find it is, see, it is compiling now. We can see there is some errors. What is the error exactly you have in this communication? So you can find here all the things here. See here, you have already have 2 errors. Compiling finished with 2 errors because of, see, because of the runtime setting, or you can find this one as software compilation started. See here, you can find the entered password confirmation does not meet the password. One thing. Another thing, the entered password does not comply with the secondary. I think there is 2 errors. It's appeared mainly due to the password issue. So I need to find where is the exact issue happen, and for that just I will double click, I will click the device configuration, and from the downside, sorry, below the device configuration you can find runtime settings. From there you can find in the general itself encrypted transfer is activated. So deactivate this one, because otherwise, see, this is the main error, the entered password confirmation does not match, no? So we are not entering any passwords, no? So we need to remove this one, deactivate this encrypted transfer, and also double check in the option. Once you double click the option, it will open another pop-up. From this pop-up also you need to be double check whether the security area it's okay or not. See, once it's open the settings options, in the settings you can find in the simulation. See here, you can find behavior at the start of simulation, load hardware automatically, software automatically, confirm the start of simulation, and also behavior of download simulation. See here, it should be not, see, this is not enabled, so you need to keep the same, like show load preview during the download of simulation you can keep unchecked. Once it's okay, it is clear, then save your application. Again you need to be try to download this application in the simulator. For that, just select the HMI under this unified PC. See here, you have unified PC. If you click inside, you can find the HMI, no? So you can select direct PC HMI and download again to the simulator. See, it is preparing to download a device. Compiling configuration is on progress, and it is compiling with percentage. Once it's completed the 100%, see, it is compiled now, and we can see there is no error in the downside. This means if there is no error, only warning is available, no issue. This means it is successfully compiled, and it is trying to open a new web pages. See, in the normal WinCC, it will not open with the web page. It will open directly to the through the simulator. But here in the unified platform, it will be open directly to the web page itself. So this is the usually web page, local computer name / web run hour. Okay, there is HTTP error 500.100. This is internal server error. So the page is not able to display. So we need to encounter this error. So there is many issues because we need to check the firewall and every other things from the web browser as well as our program. from in our application we find everything it looks okay. So we will verify again the same, like we will compile and we will check again. Okay, because this Siemens WinCC, it will be directly deployed to the web page without any simulation, because this will be not simulated same like WinCC application. So what I will do now, just I will check again everything is okay, because I need to compile the application again one time, and I will see maybe what is the error. If there is no error, it will open directly in the web pages. So for that I will open the screen now, and I will see everything looks okay, and again I will try to download and start simulation. See, once I given the start simulation, I don't need this error again, so I will make mark and I will download the application. So it is compiling and it is trying to download the configuration and in the project download. See, you can find downside there is some general information, and now it shows everything looks okay. So it's open directly to the web browser, the web page, and it is showing my web page directly through the runtime, web runtime application. So we will see now. So this at the first time it will take little bit time to open the web page. So on the second time, once it's published, it will be automatically open, and each and every time without any time taking from the WinCC application and the browser. So the first time, see, it is opening, it will take only like up to 5 to 10 seconds. See, it is showing now WinCC runtime master license. There is some warning, and from here, see, it's open the first page, welcome page. Here what you published in your application, it will be published directly in the web page. So now we will test the web page. See, here I will enter the vertical position 200, and I will enter rotational position, and also I will enter lateral position. So for the rotational position, I will enter some value called 90, rotation 90 degree, and for lateral I will enter some value here. See, once I entered lateral position, it's automatically appear the shape here, see, which we entered. See, once I enter, see, the rotational position, it is changing the rotation automatically. And now I'm going to enter vertical position, it will change the place. See, with vertical position, like it's changed from 232, like 250 to 350, or you can move the position based on your entry of your value in the positions. So either you can move vertical, horizontal, or you can move rotational or lateral, whatever you need, you can just play with these values. Now what I will do now, I will add one more tag to control this color as well. So for that, what I will do, I will just make I will add one more element called slider. Just drag and drop this slider, and from this slider, once you click the slider, you can see the property of the slider downside. See, already it is there in the diagnostics, the downside. Just go to the property for this slider. For that, just select the slider, and in the below you can find the properties. See, in the properties of the slider, you can find all the properties what they have exactly. So for that, even you can see many properties, but from our side I will just drag the property which one we need exactly. See, you have many things here. So first you need to understand, this is the process value. Process value means which you are going to enter the process value. It will be appear like it will be affect directly to this slider. So you need to select the process value, add the tag called default tag which we added before, and for the tag you just need to connect here for the tag. So from here in the position of the rectangle shape, select the rectangle shape, and you need to be, now what I will do, I will change the color of this rectangle shape based on your value. So from here, see background color, already we have default white, and from the dynamic you need to be change this tag. In the tag property, just I will select here the name, here the value called default tag. So once I enter the value, in the downside you cannot see because it is having with the none, so I need to be change this one to the range. Okay, so what I will do, based on this slider value, the range will be, the color of the background color of the rectangle will be changed. From 1 to 0 I will keep the background as 0, and from 11 to 25 I will keep the background color to some different color. So I will select one of the color. Okay, I will select this one to yellow, and from 26 to 50 I will select some color, some other color, and from 51 to 75 better. Okay, from 51 to 75 I will make another color. So I will change this color here first. I will keep this one as orange color, and 51 to 75 I will keep the color green, and from 76 to 95 or 100 I will keep the color some other different color. See, I will give the color true red, or I will give the dark green. So I already selected, I will make the color differentiation for the ranges. As per the range, the when you make the drag the slider, this will, the color will be changed as per that. So we make all the color differentiation, and the scale range I will, because it's showing the slider only 50, so I will change this one to 100. So, and after that I just save the application, and I will recompile the application, like I recompile the application, and I will go to the simulation directly. Once you double click the simulation, it will be go directly to the HMI. This is the previous page which we created before, that page. So see, now if you go to the, see, it's open directly to the new one which you modified currently. See, you can find very easily. See, now once you change the slider, it will be change the color automatically. So just you can you can play this application by as per your convenient. So this is just for demonstration for the beginners, and for like graduates and everyone, they can try this one for as per is convenient. Now we add another one element called gauge. So double click the gauge, you can find this gauge. See, you can find the gauge up to 50, and if you need you can add one more bar. Okay, so for the slider or the gauge, you can change the properties. For that, just go to the property of the gauge, and you can find similar properties, but for the difference between the gauge and the slider you can make a write for the process control, process value. You can write this slider because it's read and write, but for the gauge it is only reading. So what I will do, I will make this general. I will, in the general, the label I can give any name. If you need to add the names, you can make the name as well. And also for the font size, font color, text, visibility, anything you can change as per your convenient. and also for the appearance also you can change with different colors with the different gauge. Maybe if it's go 0 to 10, you can give some color, same like how we make before for the rectangle shape. You can do whatever the properties you need in your application, okay, or in your project. Based on the client requirement or based on your convenient, you can make change all the properties with your tags directly. So in our case, just I will do now to change only the process values. See here, and enter the process value for the tag, and in the tag position you can change, you can add your tag. See, we already have now currently default tag lateral, positional, vertical. Now, so I will add the default tag same. When you move the slider, it will move automatically your gauge also values. So I will make the values. Example, see, even I can control the values from here. See here in the condition, I will give, if the slider value is 1 to, example, 1 to 24 or 25, the what is your process value you need. So you can enter directly here. Okay, this is the condition for your slider value, and based on that value you can keep some value here. Example, for 1 to 25 I will keep the process value called 15. You, based on your condition, you can keep anything. Okay, from 26 to 50 I will add some value called 20. Okay, from 51 to 75 I will add the process value called 35. From 76 to 100 I will call the value, in the process value called 49. So I will use this gauge up to 100 based on your value which I make. As per the slider, it will change the value in our gauge as per the process values. For this another one, in the bar I will add the tag, similar tag. See, in the, just drag down and you can add the same tag value. From here you can find the similar way, like you can add some, just before that I will just adjust the property, like the symbols in different places, and I will save the project and I will give this tag as none. Like see, now this is not still updated because you just open the page, previous page. Now it will be updated automatically. See, you can find here simulation. See, it is taking little bit time. It's changed. It will open with the new page. See, you can find the values 22. See, but it is showing in the gauge it is 15. And now I will change the vertical position. See, it's changing automatically the vertical positions, rotation, which we shown before. Lateral position like this. So now you can change. See, as per the slider movement, it will be change the values based on your slider movement. See, the colors are changing and also the gauges and also the sliders. Everything is changing as per your slider movement. So this is the beauty of the WinCC Unified, and this one you can do even in your WinCC application directly, but here this is flexible and you can use this everything any application from HMI to SCADA or from SCADA to HMI. Now we will move to the another section, like how to use this same HMI tags in your unified PC tags in your HMI. So for that, there is two options. Either you can copy paste all the tags and you can save that, or you can import and export the tags. See, from here you can export the tags. It will be directly saved to the XLS file, like Excel file, and you can export here and you can import in the other application. So this is as usual what we are doing in WinCC or in the TIA portal for the other applications. This is a similar way. You can just make the export tags. See, I will give the name called HMI Unified Tags, and I will give export. So it will be directly exported in the particular location where you are saving your application, the tags. Okay, and other thing, if you go here, just I will copy this complete tag and I will paste here also. See, just I will go to this application in the HMI tags. The same, see, I will copy, and if you go inside the HMI tag, I can paste as well. See, once I click here, once I right click and I can paste directly. So once I paste, it will be appear directly, or other way you can import from this place the same tags, it will be appear here. This is one more method. And other things, you just copy all the tags and paste here directly. Okay, not from this, because this is synchronization with the PLC tags. If you have in the PLC tags, you can synchronize from this application, from this place. So just I will see here, I will show you. Just if you add, it will be add out as usual. But in my case, just I will try to close, and I will open from this. I will just copy from the other tags and I will paste here directly. So before that, see, just open this previous tag. See, this is all the tags. Now we used only 4 tags. Just copy these all tags. It's very easy. Just copy and go to this place and delete the previous old tag. Just right click paste or Control V to paste this all the tags. See, it's very easy. You can either import, export, or you can do directly copy paste, or you can take from these PLC tags. You have many options to import your tags, and even you can edit in the Excel and you can import directly. And also for the screens, see, just what I will do, I will copy the screen and I will try to paste here. See here, it's directly it's working. So no need to do any other things. If you need to add some screens, you can just copy paste the screens. So if it is unified applications, you can make because this will be changed as per your HMI screen itself, resolution itself. This is the beauty of the unified HMI or unified PCs application. So if you do in the PC with a big resolution, you can change to the small computer, small HMIs very easily. Just copy paste the screens. It will be adjust based on as per your screen resolution. So now in our case, just what I will do, we already added before the tags. So see, you can see all the same tags you can find here. So there is nothing changed because everything is the same. So you don't need to modify anything. So what you have here in the PC, you have in the same in the MTB 1900 HMI itself. But in previously in the WinCC, you don't have this option. You need to do everything by manual. If you are doing from the screen resolution will be changed, and also if you do from the HMI for WinCC, you need to do another screens. It will be not work same like now what we are doing. So this is the difference between normal WinCC and unified WinCC. So it is very scalable and it is open with web browsers and web based, and it will be flexible with the unified HMIs, and it will be controlled and monitored in anywhere, in the anywhere in remote session as well. And also this will be support in future smart solution projects. So this is the beauty of the WinCC unified applications. See, now again I will just try to download for the HMI. I will find the same error before we find some errors. So we need to identify this error. What is the problem? Again the same things, the entered password does not match. So you need to modify the password settings for that. So before that, see, this is the HMI display for the MTB 1900 Unified Comfort. And for the runtime settings, you need to change this all before what we make, like uncheck the password settings, like unprotect the password, and also change this because you see the error message downside, the entered password confirmation does not match with the passwords, same message which we encountered before. So you can find the same things here. In the general, you can find encrypted transfer. You need to remove the checkbox, tick mark, and if you see the settings, it will be the same. So you can find, I will explain again, in the options you can find the settings for the security. So that should be disabled. So if you go here in the security, you can find in the security you have the PLC access protections. Also you don't need to be you need to be keep the same display, same settings. And also if you go for the simulations, you can find in the simulation, this should be ticked, and show load preview dialog during the download to simulation. This is based on your behavior of the simulation. Okay, just you need to disable this. So once you complete this, just again recompile the application and download to the simulator. It is compiling, and it will be, the error will be disappear now, and it will compile and it will download to your web browser. This means because we are using the simulator now currently, so it will be download directly to the web browser. But if you are using in the HMI, it will be download directly to the HMI, and you can see in the HMI the same progress what we are showing currently in your web browser. This will take little bit time as usual, because it's the first time now, so it is compiling and it's taking some small time. But still I find some error, because this one it's showing that using simple dynamic property process value only supports, see here, not here, because this okay, because you need to be add, because you are using HMI, so you need to be add your startup screen as well. So you need to be once, because this is a screen, so I will add this startup screen as screen 1, and I will save the application again. Once you saved, I will recompile and download the application. So it is compiling correctly. Once it's compiled the application, you can find even the downside below. See, it is showing here the project was compiling. So you can see below, and also you can see now you can see there is one HMI and one unified PCs, no? But you selected the HMI currently, so it is downloading to the HMI. So even you can sometimes you can select directly in the network view, you can see which one is selected. So it is taking a little bit time to download the application. It's compiled and it's downloaded successfully with the web browser. Now it's open with the new web page because you are open with the HMI now currently. So therefore I told before earlier, for the first time it will take little bit time to open the web page, and the next time it will be published directly. So it's open now with the demo application. So you can find all the values, same like the unified PC. See, now once you change the value, it's changing automatically. See, once you change the slider value, the gauge value changed, and also for this slider value, and also you can find your vertical position. See, 250 I entered, and rotational position I entered 90, and lateral I will enter 340. See, now this automatically it's created. See, once I change with the slider, it's moving, the values are changing also as per your slider value. The colors will be changed because we already configured everything in our HMI. So this is very easy, flexible, and easy to use in everywhere in the HMIs, and in any different size of HMIs with the WinCC application as well as in the web pages. So this is the beauty of the WinCC unified application, and also you can connect how many HMIs you have. You can make a flexible application, and it is very easy to interface. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly press the like button. If you have any comments or any questions, kindly add in the comment section. If the video contents are useful, kindly share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.